Today we are going to be looking at solving a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. So first off, the general quadratic formula, the general form of a quadratic equation is given by ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So the quadratic formula is given by x equal to negative b plus or negative square root of b squared negative 4ac all over 2a. So that's in accordance to the general form of a quadratic equation. A corresponds to A, B corresponds to B, and C corresponds to C. A is the coefficient of x squared, B is the coefficient of x, and C is the constant term. So looking on the screen, we take the first question that we have here. And the question is x squared plus 8x plus 10 equal to 0. So we are expected to find values of x that are going to satisfy this equation. So first off, we have to compare with the general form. And if we compare with the general form, it will be given that A will be equal to 1 because the coefficient of x squared is 1, the value of B is 8, and the value of C is 10, as that is a constant term. So we'll first of all resolve the numerator of the expression and then resolve the denominator identified. So resolving the numerator, remember B is 8. So from the formula, we're going to have negative 8 plus or negative square root of B is 8. So we have 8 squared, negative 4, A is 1, and C is 10. So 4 times 1 times 10. So 8 squared is 64. 64 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 10, 40. So we have negative 40. So total we have negative 8 plus or negative square root of 64, negative 40. And 64 negative 40 is 24. So we have negative 8 plus or negative square root of 24. So we could break down the sword root 24 as square root of 4 times square root of 6. So square root of 4 is 2, and root 6 is the sword, so we'll leave it as 2 root 6. So we have negative 8 plus or negative 2 root 6 as the numerator. Then resolving the denominator, we have 2a as the denominator of the quadratic formula. So the value of a is 1, so 2 times 1 is 2. So total we have negative 8 plus 2 root 6 divided by 2. So if 2 divides 2, if negative 8 divides 2, we have negative 4. And if positive 2 root 6 divides 2, we have root 6. So we have negative 4 plus or negative root 6. That implies that x is equal to negative 4 plus root 6, or x equal to negative 4 negative root 6. Those are two possible values. So hence we could say x is equal to negative 4 plus or negative square root of 6, and then we could say x is equal to negative 1.55051 or negative 6.44948. So we'll take the second question. You can pause the video and attempt this on your own from all you've learned from the earlier part of this video. So comparing with the general form ax squared plus bx plus c, a will be equal to 1, b will be equal to 4, and c will be equal to negative 21. So resolving the numerator according to the formula, negative b plus or negative square root of b squared negative 4ac over 2a. b is 4, so we have negative 4 plus or negative square root of 4 squared, that's b squared, negative 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 21. So having that, 4 squared is 16. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 times negative 21, and that's positive 84. So 84 plus 16 is going to give us 100. So we have negative 4 plus or negative square root of 100. That's square root of 100 is 10. So we have negative 4 plus or negative 10. And the two possible values that could be gotten from that is negative 4 plus 10 or negative 4 negative 10. So negative 4 plus 10 is 6, because negative 4 plus 10 is the same thing as 10 negative 4. And negative 4 negative 10 is negative 14. So then we resolve the denominator. Remember, the denominator is 2a according to the expression over here. Denominator is 2a. So, and in this equation, the value of a is 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. So divide each value by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, and negative 14 divided 2 is -7. So x is 3 or x is -7. Thanks for watching this video to this point. I encourage you to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and do well to comment on this video. Thanks for watching to this point.